Alrighty, we're back here at the Plaza Municipal ramp here in downtown Minneapolis. And we'll take a ride on these awesome Dover elevators with Innovation Bruiser buttons. Of course, we know about these ones. It's been about like a year and a half since I've been here. So let's ride them. We're gonna go the other way. We're gonna start with the hydraulic ones first. But this one, we all know it's separate from the other ones. So we're gonna start with this one first. Here we go. All right, you're leveled. D. Here we go. Here we are at D, button our way out. Get ready for an epic motor when we go back up into PL. Here we go. Very nice elevator. This elevator is kind of epic with its motor like that. Very nice elevator with its acme indicator. 2,500 pound capacity. And of course, we'll take another ride on this, by the way.
Going down.
We'll take 2 rides on this. This one's elevator number 4. We'll get it closer to the D button. Here's the arm bell. Love that. This thing is a beauty. And you're at D. I'll go back up to Plaza.
Floor D. Going up.
Here we go. Watch numbers going up. Well, yeah, watch numbers going up. Since it kind of goes backwards by letter. We'll get a close view of the button right now. Plaza.
Plaza level.
All right.
Going down.
All right. Very nice elevator. Fortunately, I don't know where the machine is right at the moment. Now I'll go ride the other hydraulic elevator, which is down a bit of a ways. Very nice day out. I believe this one also has an epic motor, like the other one does. I'm sure it still has one. But instead of a white down arrow indicator, it has a red down arrow indicator, sorry. I can't say it properly. Kind of saying it too fast. And here's the other one. Hey now. And it's stuck, and it's already up on P, which is Plaza. Here we go. This one exactly the same as the other one. All right, here we go down to D. This one is kind of more the same. It shows P instead of PL. It's very slow. As the other one does is. And here we are at D. Get ready for another epic motor on this one. And this one kind of slams.
Going up.
Here we go. Back up to Plaza. Kind of not that epic. You'll get a nice little cam view of this beautiful elevator. For our security, I forgot to mention about one of these. Alarm bell again. That was way louder.
Plaza.
Just says Plaza instead of just saying Plaza level.
Going down.
Very nice elevator. Look at that. Gonna close. There she goes. We have two more elevators. They're both identical. We all know, of course, they're traction instead of hydraulic. So I do it the other way this time, so of course I love these elevators. They're Dover with Innovation Bruiser. I just couldn't say for sure what kind of elevators these are, but, I can still call them Dover. Over there is the convention center. Excuse me, farting like that. There's the other elevators. Keep my camera down. All right, there's the doors for the other ones. And these are traction instead of hydraulic. Which one should it be? We're gonna take it up first. Actually, yeah, let's go ahead. This one's sitting right on our floor and it has an annoying fan. Look at this. Dover logo. Let's go up to Skyway. Here we go.
Skyway.
I'll go back down to D. Dang, this music is quite annoying, so I'm probably gonna have to go down to D for this. This is annoying. This music is quite annoying out there. Like some sort of concert or something, I don't know. Alright, here we are at D, and it opens up and over here. I am definitely going to send this one up to S. another view of the Dover logo. Sorry about my farting. I'm having really, I can't just stop doing that. All right, there goes this one. I am not doing good at this. Now I'll call for the other one. The other one's already on A. I might have noticed that. Is this one coming? Welcome to Minneapolis. All right, here's the other one. And here we go. These are still traction, like I always think. And these have different, more security cameras here. The other one, these are both elevators 1 and 2. I could talk over this music on Skyway. We'll take it down to D and then we'll end on Plaza. Talk over that music on the Skyway is kind of giving me a nightmare. Here we go. These are still pretty nice. This one has a lesser note. This one does not have a fan in it, by the way. I'm very pleased with that. All right, here we are at D. By the way, here's a look inside the garage. All right, we'll end it on Plaza. Man, I'm really happy about these. I'm really happy to ride these again. Get closer to the Plaza button. You're at Plaza.
Plaza level.
All right. I'm gonna take the stairs for a second. Here's your MPE over here. There we go. I haven't done these before. These stairs are quite taking a while to get up. We'll get a view out here for just 1 second. That is quite annoying music I'm not happy about. And here's the other, here are the top floor for these elevators. And yeah. I guess I am not really happy with this music anyway, so I'm probably gonna have to end it here. So that's it.